Hello, my name is Boyd McMakin. I'm with PPL Motorhomes, and today we're here with Jeff Holstetler. Jeff is with AP Products, and we're going to be talking about his key to light system that he has. I know that over the years, travel trailers, fifth wheels, there's keys for the entry doors, keys for the compartments, and all of those sort of things. And y'all sort of solved that problem with these these different locks. So tell us a little bit about what we've got going on here.
Sure. So back about 6 model years ago, we put together a program for the RV manufacturers where we call Key to Light. And that means that all the doors on this unit, no matter if it's your compartment doors, your entry doors, your ramp doors for your toy haulers, or your patio doors, even your outdoor shower box doors, all of those are keyed the same key code so that the consumer has one key that fits all the doors on the coach, and that gets rid of that wad of keys that you end up having to carry.
Right. So, I mean, that's what's in the industry now. Over the last 6 years, more and more manufacturers are doing that. That's what customers are ending up with. But you've developed this for the people that don't have that. So what if you want to go and just have one key for all of those locks? What do you do?
Right. Well, so for the aftermarket, for those that already have an RV that didn't come from the factory, we now have kits available where you purchase these various kits depending on your application. So there's different level of locks or quantities of locks in this kit, and all the locks in this kit are already keyed to the same key code. So now the consumer just simply removes the locks that they have on all their doors on their coach, replaces it with the locks included in the kit, and now the one key that's included in the kit will fit all of those doors.
All of those locks, right? And I think we have, at this point, we've got 3 kits. And the kits include different things, but it's the, entry door latches, they include the ramp door latches, and once again, the kits are different, so you're not necessarily going to get this in every single one of them. It just depends on your application. The same slam latches for the compartment doors that are outside, and so forth. And even some of them come with the accessories for the propane tanks.
Right.
And so if we don't have a kit that fits your exact needs, I know that we can also key extra locks to whatever you need.
Right.
So it doesn't matter what it is, whether it's an extra padlock that you need or an extra compartment lock that you need. We can all make those the same. But the kits, the 3 of them, handle the majority of what's out there.
That is correct.
And I know that you were telling me the other day, another reason we did this, it's a little safer, so right now, in a lot of cases, motorhome or travel trailers and fifth wheels use a 751 key, right? So what's the downside of that?
Yeah, so the cam locks that we commonly find, that's this type of lock there, on a lot of our compartments, they're all keyed to a key code 751 and have been for decades.
For years and years and years,
so everybody in the RV park can get into the neighbor's compartments. We always say, look, if somebody gets in your compartment and steals something, the only good news is you can get into his compartment and steal it back. So what this does, of course, then it gives you a different key code than everybody else in the park, so that the components inside your compartments are secure.
So once again, if you're looking for something to just have one key that handles all your locks, AP makes 3 kits that should satisfy that. And if you don't see something in the kit, at PPL Motorhomes, we can adjust anything we need to get you all the locks under one key.
Right.
Thanks, Jeff.